In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your device. Then hit Get Started. Choose while using the app in the pop-up and allow in all the other ones. Now select this red button at the bottom to start recording. Hit Yes in Permission Request pop-up and select Recorder at the bottom. Now use gray switcher next to Allow Do Not Disturb. Hit Allow in the pop-up, and after that, when you go back, you can finally start recording thanks to this red button. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it, click on this square one on the right. Now you can name your recording however you want to. And hit Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use those options at the top right corner. You can click on this pen and edit your recording, then hit Save at the bottom right corner when you finished. Or click on those three dots also at the top right corner and use all of those options in the pop-up, like Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!